So we studied two methods to find HCF. HCF by listing all factors and HCF by prime factorization. Next one, least common multiple. Least common multiple or LCM. Short form is LCM. LCM by listing multiples. Like HCF, there are different methods to find LCM also. First one, LCM by listing multiples. Consider an example. Find LCM of 4 and 6. To find LCM of given numbers by listing multiples, first we have to list some multiples of 4 and 6. Then find common multiples. Then find least common multiple. Find LCM of 4 and 6. Multiples of 4. Which are the multiples of 4? 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, etc. are the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, etc. are the multiples of 4. Then multiples of 6. Second number is 6. So multiples of 6. Which are the multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, etc. are the multiples of 6. Then find common multiples. Common means common in both these two cases. Which are the common numbers? 12. 12 is common. 12 is here. 12 is here. So 12 is a common multiple. Then next one 24. 24 is here. 24 is here. So 24 also a common multiple. Then next one 36. 36 is here. Here also 36. So 36 also a common multiple. So 12, 24, 36, etc. are common multiples. Then we have to find least common multiple or LCM. Which is the smallest one? 12. Least common multiple is 12. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now consider another example. Find LCM of 12, 16 and 24. We have to find least common multiple of 12, 16 and 24 by listing multiples. Multiples of 12. Which are the multiples of 12? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, etc. are the multiples of 12. Then next number 16. Multiples of 16. 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, 112, etc. are the multiples of 16. Next number 24. Multiples of 24. Which are the multiples? 24, 48, 72, 96, etc. are the multiples of 24. Then next step we have to find common multiples. That means common in these three cases. Which are the common multiples? 48. 48 is here. Here is also 48. Here is also 48. So 48 is a common multiple. Then next one 96. 96 is here. Here is also 96. Here is also 96. So common multiples are 48, 96, etc. So we have to find least common multiple or LCM. Which is the smallest one? 48. So LCM of 12, 16 and 24 is 48. Now we are going to study another method, LCM by prime factorization. We can take the same numbers 12, 16 and 24 and we have to find LCM by prime factorization. How can we find LCM by prime factorization? First we have to find prime factorization of each of the number. 12. First take 12. Then start dividing with the least prime number 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then 6 also divisible by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. We got a prime number here. Stop the process. Write 12 as the product of prime factors. 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Then next number 16. Prime factorization of 16. 16 also an even number. We have to divide with 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Then 8 is also divisible by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then 4 is also divisible by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. We got a prime number here. We can write 16 as the product of prime factors. 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then next number 24. 24. Prime factorization of 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Then 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 is a prime number. We can stop the process. Write 24 as the product of prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Here 2 is multiplied 3 times. Is it 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 is multiplied 3 times. Last chapter we studied power of numbers. We can represent it as 2 raised to 3 into 3. 2 is multiplied 3 times. Power of 2 is 3. Then next one 16. 16 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is multiplied 4 times and which is same as 2 raised to 4. 2 to the power of 4. Power of 2 is 4. Then what about this one? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 is multiplied 2 times. So it is equal to 2 raised to 2 into 3. 2 raised to 2 into 3. Then we have to find LCM. LCM will be equal to product of the highest power of all factors. That is the equation. LCM is equal to product of the highest power of all factors. Which are the factors here? 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor. Then we have to find highest power of all factors, then multiply it. First factor is 2. 2. Which is the highest power of 2? Here power of 2 is 2. Here power of 2 is 4. Here power of 2 is 3. The highest power is this one, 4. So 2 raised to 4 into, then next number 3. Here power of 3 is 1 and here also power of 3 is 1. So we have to take 3 only. 3 raised to 1. That is same as 3. Then multiplied. 2 raised to 4 into 3. 2 raised to 4 means 16. 2 is multiplied 4 times. That is 16. 16 into 3. What is 16 into 3? 16 into 3. 6 3s are 18. 1 here. 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer is 48. In the previous method also we get the same number 48 as the LCM of 12, 16 and 24. By prime factorization also we get 48 as the LCM of 12, 16 and 24. Now consider second question. 60 and 72. We have to find LCM of 60 and 72 by prime factorization method. First we have to find prime factorization of 60 and 72. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 15 is not divisible by 2. So take the next prime number 3. Then 15 divided by 3 is 5. We got a prime number here. Then we can write 60 as the product of prime factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Then next number 72. Prime factorization of 72. 72 divided by 2 is 36. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 is not divisible by 2. So take the next prime number 3. 9 is divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. We can write 72 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And this is equal to 2 is multiplied 3 times. 2 is multiplied 3 times. 3 is multiplied 2 times. And this is equal to 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 2 or 3 square. And what about this one? Here 2 is multiplied 2 times. And 3 one time, 5 one time. So this is equal to 2 raised to 2 into 3 into 5. Then LCM is equal to product of the highest power of all factors. Which are the factors? 2, 3, 5 are the factors. Then which are the highest powers? Take the number 2. Here power of 2 is 3. Here power of 2 is 2. Which is the highest one? 3. So 2 raised to 3 into then next factor 3. Highest power of 3. 3 here power of 3 is 1. 3 raised to 1 is same as 3. Then what about here? Here 3 raised to 2. Power of 3 is 2. Then this is the highest one. So 3 raised to 2 or 3 square. Then one more number is there 5. Power of 5 is 1. So 5 itself 5. So LCM is equal to 2 raised to 3 into 3 square into 5. 2 raised to 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is multiplied 3 times. That is equal to 8. Then 3 square. 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 into 5. 8 9s are 72. 72 into 5 is 360. So LCM of 60 and 72 is 360. Next one. Note, if two numbers are co-prime, then their LCM is equal to their product. If two numbers are co-prime, then their LCM is equal to their product. What do you mean by co-prime numbers? Two numbers having only one as their common factor. Such numbers are known as co-prime numbers. Then consider an example. Find LCM of 8 and 21. LCM of 8 and 21. Then prime factorization of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Then 21 is equal to 3 into 7 into 1. Prime factorization of 21. 3 into 7 into 1. We know that 1 is a factor of all numbers. So we can write 1 also there. Then 8 and 21 do not have any common factors other than 1. 8 and 21 do not have any common factors other than 1. Hence they are co-prime numbers. Only one common factor is there, the number 1. Hence they are co-prime numbers. So LCM will be equal to their product. Multiply the given numbers 8 into 21. LCM is equal to product of the numbers, that is equal to 8 into 21. 8 into 21 is 168. Next one is relation between HCF and LCM of two numbers. Relation between HCF and LCM of two numbers. Product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. What is the relation? Product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. We can check through one example. Find HCF and LCM of 15 and 24. First we have to find HCF, prime factorization method. Then prime factorization of 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. We can write 15 as 15 equal to 3 into 5. Then prime factorization of 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. We can write 24 as product of prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then what is HCF? By prime factorization method, HCF is equal to product of common factors. Here 3 is here, 3 is here. Any other common factor? No. So HCF will be equal to 3. HCF is equal to 3. Now we have to find LCM. LCM of 15 and 24. Then what is the equation? By prime factorization method, LCM is equal to product of the highest power of all factors. For that we can write 24 as 2 is multiplied 3 times. So this is equal to 2 raised to 3 into 3. And what about this one? Here 3 is only one time, 5 is also one time, which is equal to 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1. Then LCM is equal to product of the highest power of all factors. Consider the factor 2. Power of 2 is 3 here. Here 2 is not there. So highest power of 2 is 3. So 2 raised to 3 into, then next factor 3. Here power of 3 is 1. Here also 3 is only one time. So 3 raised to 1. Power is 1 only. Then 3 raised to 1 into, then one more factor is there, 5. Power of 5 is 1 and 5 is also only one time, into 5 raised to 1. That is equal to 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 8 into 3 into 5. 8 3s are 24. 24 into 5. What is 24 into 5? 24 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 0 here, 2 here. Then 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. It is equal to 120. So LCM is equal to 120. HCF is equal to 3. Then we have to check whether the product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Then what is HCF into LCM? HCF into LCM. HCF is 3, LCM is 120. That is equal to 3 into 120. 120 into 3. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 2s are 6. 1 3s are 3. 360. This is equal to 360. Then we have to check product of two numbers. Given numbers are 15 and 24. So 15 into 24. 15 into 24 is equal to 24 into 15. 5 4s are 20. 2 here. Then 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Then 1 4s are 4. 1 2s are 2. Adding 0. 2 plus 4 6 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So 360. So we proved this one. Product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. What is the relation between HCF and LCM? Product of two numbers is equal to HCF and HCF into LCM. Now consider another question. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 3 and 72 respectively. If one of the number is 9, find the other number. What is the question? The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 3 and 72 respectively. If one number is 9, find the other number. First we have to write the given numbers. We have HCF is equal to 3. It is given. Then LCM is equal to 72. It is also given. Then one number is 9. So one number also given equal to 9. Then we have to find the second number. Second number is equal to dash. We have to find it. Then what is the relation between HCF and LCM? HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. What is the HCF here? 3. LCM is 72. So we can write 3 into 72 is equal to 9 into second number. One number is given, that is 9 into second number. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Then we have to find the second number. That is the question. What is the second number? To find the second number, take this 9 to this side. Here 9 is multiplied. 9 is multiplied with the second number. Since it is multiplied, take this 9 to this side and divide it. Second number is equal to 3 into 72 divided by 9. Second number is equal to 3 into 72 divided by 9. Then we know that 72 divided by 9 is 8. 8 9s are 72. So 72 divided by 9 is 8. We can cut this. 72 divided by 9 is 8. Then 3 8s are 24. So the answer is, the second number is 24. Second number is 24. So the fourth chapter is over. Hope you understood. See you in next class.